It's day 4, and I think you can kind of figure out where we're going today by my ears. We're going to go to Animal Kingdom. We're going to check out the new Zootopia, which is the replacement for, it's Bug's Life, I think it's called. Anyway, it's in the Tree of Life, and they just redid it, so I'm really excited about that. I'm hoping to find a Animal Kingdom shirt because I don't have one. So one thing I don't have, but yeah, let's go to Animal Kingdom and check out what's new and what's going on over there. It's decorated for Christmas. Look, it's got decorations. Wow, that's really fun. If you're new here, I'm Ridgely.
I'm Charlie.
And we are over 50 Disney adults. We are on our way to Animal Kingdom. It is 57 degrees, but it's gorgeous. You do not need a sweatshirt because it's going to get really hot. I think it's going to be 85. It's 7:38. Early entry was, what time?
7:30.
7:30. So we get in and get some rides in. Our first lightning lane is at 8:10, I believe.
Yep.
And then we will see the rest as we go along. So let's go do it.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. I love the tree here. And the fun music. I love listening to the music because each park is so different. Ooh, look what I see. I see Joffrey's.
Want to get inside, get it?
Yeah, let's do it inside. That's my favorite coffee shop.
They look slow.
And then here is this beautiful tree. Where's your friends? Oh, there's one.
There's two.
There's one.
Big one. He's like, whoa. He's orange.
Oh, he's sitting up there. That's so
I
interesting.
couldn't do that for like a minute.
Oh, here we go. We're just walking around the park, getting our steps in and enjoying the park without anybody in it. So you'll be seeing some video of the park kind of empty, which is kind of nice. You can kind of see the buildings and the decorations and the theming and everything. Right now we're walking by the Nemo show, which is like this big green building that's kind of like how Guardians at Epcot is the go away blue. This is kind of like the go away green that disappears with the surroundings. We're now about to walk into Dinosaur Land, which they're redoing for Indiana Jones. Was it going to be Indiana Jones?
Encanto and Indiana Jones ride, yes.
Yes.
You want to walk around and ride Dinosaur, get it over with?
Yeah, we can ride Dinosaur. So we're going to walk in here, and
Bless
you can
you.
see. God bless you. There's tons of walls up for construction. Ooh, they have food here too. And then they have, oh here, lots of artwork, what's coming, things like that.
Just printed all this stenciling on the
Oh, this must be the, oh, that's cute.
With extra steps.
This is where I guess you meet Welcome Santa. The ride is closed. Welcome Santa, so this must be where they're doing a Santa meet and greet. Here's a look at what's coming. Okay, here's Discovery Trading Pen, and over there is Zootopia, and right behind us is Flame Tree Barbecue right there. Let's check out some of the merchandise. And I think this stocking is really fun. I think it's $34.99. That's really fun. I'm on a hunt for a t-shirt, so let's see what they've got here that may be different. They have the like friendship bracelets one. I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that. 1971 Walt Disney World. I haven't seen that one. I have not seen that one. Twisted one I haven't seen. Oh, and that's it. Steamboat Willie. That was when Mickey Mouse was launched, and his birthday was yesterday. It's November 18th, 1928. And then there are these. I kind of like this one, Safari So Good, because it's got the characters, it's got the Tree of Life, Safari. I don't know, I'm kind of partial to this one, I think. I don't know if I want a gray t-shirt. Tons of Christmas merchandise in here. My ears that I love. That's a sweatshirt with the little applique, which is kind of cute. So much stuff for Christmas. And then all these ornaments, but they're heavy. They're so heavy. There's these. Just want plain black ears. These are good ones. $36.99. These are really cute. Really good plain black ears. Off we go to Zootopia. We have a lightning lane. I think it's 10 minutes, but let's tap in.
Happy Together Day!
That's new. Did you get the Happy Together Day?
What?
Did you get it say Happy Together Day? It said Happy Together Day.
I didn't hear that.
You didn't hear that?
No.
Oh.
What does that mean? Together day.
I don't know. It just talked to me when I was doing it. It's kind of fun. This is.
Walk out. Not even book it. Well, no, this.
So I think it's a show. So I mean.
We really also go to ride, right?
Oh, we can book another ride right now. Yeah, hold on. Let me do that.
Well, I can do it. We sit down. We're not like. And there's not much more.
It's true. There's not much more we can do here. Kind of a nice walkway. We're gonna go under the tree where there's like how many animals are under the tree?
300. I don't know, a lot.
Happy Together Day. Pandora. Oh my goodness. Pandora. I know, I just saw that. We just got out of Zootopia and I have seen the movie. I highly recommend seeing the movie. It's really loud. It sounds garbled to me, like I couldn't understand a lot of it. I got that from it's fun. It's really fun. It's 3D. You wear the glasses. It's really crisp. It's really clear. The music's great. It's really fast. I mean, how long did that take?
7 minutes.
Yeah, it was really fast. But I think you need to see Zootopia to actually understand exactly what's going on.
Never saw it, didn't understand it.
Yeah, so definitely do it. It's really fun. The effects are awesome. It's definitely a fun thing to do, and it's like a rotating movie, so you can just pop in anytime. It's like 5-minute wait. It was really, I definitely do it, but watch Zootopia first. I got a delicious shaken Jamaican with vanilla, 4.5 pumps, with a little dash of cream or milk, and it is so good. Here are some Animal Kingdom items, and I kind of like this shirt. Disney Animal Kingdom on the front, and let's see what's on the back. And this is the back. I kind of like that because I like this color blue, and I need something for Animal Kingdom. It's $34.99. Maybe I can get. I'll keep looking. Really cool. It have these explorers map, and you can explore around Animal Kingdom. That's really fun. We are headed into Pandora to do the Navi River journey, which is up here. We have a lightning lane at 9:15. So we've just been like walking around. We got some sandwiches, some egg sandwiches, and it's kind of fun and relaxed. It's so nice not to be rushing and just enjoy ourselves. Really slippery.
Yeah, no, it's the same thing.
It's only 30-minute wait time. 9:18. Definitely more crowded in here. That is for sure. Navi was fun. It's nice. It's a boat ride. It's very kind of well themed to Pandora, which we've never seen. It's 4 across. They put us in the front row of the boat with 2 other adults, a man and a woman. And you know what? We're not small people. And it was tight. But that's, you get what you get. And you was totally fine. He's like, yeah. I look back, I was like, are you sure you want us in this road? He's like, yeah, you're getting in that road. And I was like, okay. The guy next to me is like, well, I'm not a big guy. I'm kind of a big guy. I said, okay, we're going it. We did it. So we're going to walk over to Asia and see about Lion King. And then we have a safari lady. And what time is it? It's 9:32. It's early. And it's now 70 degrees. We are going to hop into the Lion King. There's a 10 o'clock show. It's 9:37. They usually let in at like 20 minutes before, so we thought, why not? We don't have the safari for another 45 minutes, so... Oh.
I don't know though.
Another great Lion King show. I think it is. Don't miss it, yeah. We think it's the best show on property. How many dancers? 30. Yeah, it's just amazing. The choreography, the costumes, the music just gives you chills. It's just so well done. Do not miss it. Do not sleep on that if you come here. Okay, we're going to right straight ahead. No, over here. We're gonna go to Safari now. Lightning lane on Safari. It is 10:39 and it's 76 degrees. It's so much busier now that the park is fully opened. It just seems more crowded than obviously this morning when you would have seen all the little roads that we were, or streets or whatever you want to call it, paths we walked on were empty. It was packed. Oh my God, look at all the people waiting for Safari. Okay, let's go do this.
They don't swim, they are just buoyant. So they walk, run, or glide along the bottom of the river. There's another one going past us right here. See it walking across the water?
Oh my God, yes. That's so crazy. They are huge.
And our group leader goes,
wow.
There are wildebeest, part of the largest migration of animals left on Earth. About 1.5 million wildebeest migrate across the African Spelt region, also known as Mew, that's the sound they make. Even a Nubian giraffe, which is a blocky, square, or rectangular pattern like so. How many people knew there were different types of giraffe?
Oh my God.
The dad.
Oh, wow.
He knows. Didn't like that. A little big one there.
So an elephant will carry its young for about 22 months, almost 2 years.
That is the last of this series. This is day 4. If you haven't seen the other 3 videos, I will link everything down below. You can check it out. We're going to leave Animal Kingdom now. It's sort of a half day. We're going to drive home, but we ended with the safari, which was great. You'll see some animals. So if you're visiting Animal Kingdom, definitely do that. The weather was beautiful. We had a great time. So thank you so much for following along. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that now, and you'll see us in the next video. Thanks, and have a good one.